Hi everyone. In this video, you'll see again right here the levels of my microphone is increasing. I have identified that this is because of I am using Google Chrome browser, and this particularly happens with me once I use Google Meet or any other platform on let's say on Google Chrome. So my levels, desktop microphone levels actually increase and decrease as per my, let's say, my voice, right? And how far I am from the mic. So I found a solution to solve this. I've tried the other options, let's say clicking on the advanced and then using the exclusive mode and then unchecking this and then updating my drivers for my particular microphone and then checking for Windows updates as well. So none of them has worked for me, but I found another solution. This is add-on. This is available on the Google Chrome web store even. Disable automatic gain control. So at the moment I have added this. So you'll have to click on add, and then once it is added, click here and then you can pin this, right? So mine is currently pinned. So this is a small icon, it says D, right? If I go back here and then if I open my levels, it is still 80. So at times it decreases and increases itself. So even if I place it to 50, right, and then if I start talking again, 66, 69, 76 and so forth. So you can enable this, right? Just click on once and then it will say on. And right now if I put my levels to, let's say, 50, right, so whichever one is best for you. So 50. So right now it is not fluctuating. So once I join the Meet session also, right, I'm talking here, let's say if I go back here, the levels are not changing, right, regardless of if I'm moving closer to the mic or, let's say, getting far back. So I hope this works. This only works on a particular tab, right? If you're using Google Meet, then you can turn this on. So every time you use Google Meet, it would be turned on. Let's say if you're using any other platform, then you can open that particular tab and then turn that on also, right? So I hope that video was helpful, and I hope it helps for you guys, and then let me know in the comment section.